Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Martin WONG Supreme Iglesia Pentecostal Skateboard deck. This one's the multi-color 8.25 inch by 32 inch. Size is 8.25. The price for this is $60. So I purchased a couple of the Martin WONG collection. And then I got this delivered yesterday. So today is Thursday, so I should have the rest of the shipment coming in today. So anyway, I'm going to unbox this and then show you guys. It's kind of crazy because last time I purchased the skateboard deck, Supreme charged me $14 for the shipping fee. So when I purchased everything all together, and then I only got charged a $10 shipping fee. But somehow they ship it separately. So it's kind of stupid on them. They end up losing money on the shipping fee, but they already making money off the deck and then apparel. So anyway, so let's go ahead and cut this open. As you can see, the box is dirty from the UPS. Ooh, I see a couple of the Martin WONG sticker. Wow. All right. So I got this 8-ball. And I got the building with the firemen kissing each other. And then another one with the handgun shooting at the break at the heart. And there's another 8-ball right there. Got the beer can and a screwdriver. Added like a razor blade right there. So, and then on the back got the Supreme. The state of Martin WONG. And it is same thing on this one. So I guess on all of them, so there's a black box logo. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the skateboard deck. So the top it is painted in black, and this is veneer. Got the Supreme sticker inside the shrink wrap. And you got the Martin WONG's IMU UR2. It says human instamatic. And you got the Supreme box logo right there. So yeah, be sure to look for this barcode. And this is for Winter 19 Skateboard 2. There's a size right there. And this one's made in Mexico. While all the skateboard decks made in Mexico. So you got the storefront, 25 Avenue, Unit B, and then you got this metal gate. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below, see what you guys cop. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.